Good evening everybody. Today we are seeing about the topic is called the traveling salesman problem. So the traveling salesman problem is have the so much of contents and the dynamic programming is the title of the traveling salesman problem. So the first one, the traveling salesman problem means the traveling man will be starting from the journey from one place and moving to more than the places and visited the places and comes under the protocol or algorithm and reach the same place at the end of the work. So that is the traveling salesman. So what are the problems he made? That is called the traveling salesman problem. So the concept is a G is equal to V comma E. So what is that meaning of the G comma E means? So G for a graph and V for edges, vertices and E for edges. So vertices and the edges can make the graph. So when you are making the graph, we need the vertices and edges. So now the traveling salesman problem have the three contents is the postal van, three examples that the postal van, robots arm and manufacturing commodity. The first topic is the postal van. So what is the postal van? The post office have the postal van. The postal van will be collecting the more than the mails or letters from the various places and collecting the letters and return back to the post office. So the postal van will be started from here and more than visited the places and comes the same place at the end of the visiting the places. So the postal van will be, that is the one of the graph. So the graph will be is created within the use of the edges. So the visiting places is called the vertices. So and next one, pass பண்ணிக்கிறேன். So the postal van will be starting from the one place and meeting the various places and comes under the algorithm. And last one, the postal van will be reach in the same place. So the postal van will be creating the so much of vertices and the edges and meet the vertices and create the edges. So this is the routine place and it will be meet the visiting areas and it's make a graph. So the postal van will be starting from one place and ending with the another place. So that is the one of the example of the traveling salesman problem. The next one is the robot arm. So what is that the robot arm? When you are assembling the robot arm, we are fixing the robot arm means you just imagine. So this is the robot arm. So first fixing fixing is the use of the clockwise or on the anti-clockwise. So fixing the one place, we are using the screw. So fixing the one place and the next screw will be placing one place. The next place is this here and next place here and next place here and next place here, next place here. So this is the clockwise or anti-clockwise. The robot arm will be assembled. So this is a clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is a first place now. It just go to the overall here and read the last the same place. Otherwise anti-clockwise that is the same process. This is the robot arm. And the next one is a manufacturing commodity. So the manufacturing commodity means it's one of the manufacturing company means. So for example, the paper company or mobile making company or whatever, it's a fan company, car company, whatever might be, they are created have some protocols. What is the first part, what is the second part, what is the third part, and so on. So the manufacturing commodity means, for example, we are watching the TV and they are making some soda company or Coca-Cola company. They are packing, they are filling, they are packing and full of wrapping, sticking and so much of things. That is the manufacturing commodity. So they have some criteria. What is the first one? What is the second one? What is the third one? And so on. So these processes are called the manufacturing commodity. That is the one protocol or that algorithm. So that is the manufacturing. So these are the example of the traveling salesman problem. So traveling salesman problem means a simple thing when the person will be starting from the one place and moving to the another place and finally he was visited all the places and finally he was reaching the same place where he started, the same place. That is called the traveling salesman problem. So that is the traveling salesman problem and he was creating the graphs, use of the vertices and the edges. So these portions will be under covering the traveling salesman problem in the dynamic programming. Thank you.